Shubman Gill addressed the press conference with a lot of clarity, a lot of elegance, and a lot of poise. And for starters, the Indian captain didn't keep his cards close to his chest. He dropped a lot of hints regarding the playing 11, all but confirming Manav Sutar and Prasidh Krishna playing this fixture ahead of Gurnur Brar and Saransh Jain. There was a theory floating around that India could well go in with 3 fast bowlers just to make most of the first 2 days. Hello and welcome back to TOS Sports. From a rainy, windy and stormy looking Galle, the Galle Fort right behind me is staring down at this magnificent venue which is just one night away from hosting the historic clash between India and Sri Lanka, which definitely triggers the business end of India's World Test Championship cycle. They want to win, they want to qualify for the final, and they need to win at least 6 or 7 matches out of their remaining 9. The first 2 matches are scheduled in Galle and Colombo. Moving to Galle and just discussing India's playing 11 straight up. Shubman Gill addressed the press conference with a lot of clarity, a lot of elegance, and a lot of poise. And for starters, the Indian captain didn't keep his cards close to his chest. He dropped a lot of hints regarding the playing 11, all but confirming Manav Sutar and Prasidh Krishna playing this fixture ahead of Gurnur Brar and Saransh Jain. There was a theory floating around that India could well go in with 3 fast bowlers just to make most of the first 2 days, if at all they lose the toss and get to bowl first. But the Indian captain and the management have decided to go ahead with 3 spinners in Kuldeep Yadav, Ravindra Jadeja and Manav Sutar. I asked the captain regarding Manav Sutar and the possible position he would like to play him at, and he said that for the number 8 position they are trying to groom and keep Manav Sutar in the scheme of things, because captain feels that he has what it takes to excel with the bat lower down the order and then do the heavy lifting with the ball alongside Kuldeep Yadav and Ravindra Jadeja. The 2 experienced players who know a thing or two about playing in different parts of the world, playing with different types of balls, Dukes, SG and the Kupabura challenge, which will pose a stiff challenge for all the bowlers who are playing with it for the first time. The seam definitely goes up for a toss when the ball gets a bit older, and after that you really need to bend your back and use your fingers and wrist to make the most out of the surface on offer. That is the makeup of India's playing 11 as far as the series opener is concerned, but there's a larger context at play. August 15th, Shubman Gill was beaming with pride at the opportunity of walking out wearing the captain's blazer on this historic occasion. 600th test, 50th test here at Galle. A lot is at stake, a lot is at play. But back of the mind, they have the WTC. They have the World Test Championship. They are gunning for that World Test Championship final spot, and they will. By they, I mean Gautam Gambhir and Shubman Gill will leave no stone unturned to make that happen, to make that count. The onus will be on batters as well, because if you get the opportunity to bat first, because toss will be very, very crucial, because the wicket tends to deteriorate as the game progresses. So if India bat first, make sure you bat big. KL Rahul, you are the most experienced batter in the squad. Make it count, make it big, and make sure India don't bat twice in this test. Keep watching TOS Sports, like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. This is Sahil Malhotra joining you for one last time in the build up to the Galle Test, and we'll join you after day 1.